To apply a refund to next year on TurboTax and get the maximum refund, follow these steps. First, ensure you have completed your tax return on TurboTax and have a refund due to you. Next, when you reach the refund section, you will see options on how to receive your refund. One of these options is to apply the refund to next year's taxes. Select this option to allocate your current year's refund towards your next year's tax liability. It is essential to note that applying your refund to next year does not change your current year's tax return and is not considered a payment until you file next year's return. You will receive a confirmation from TurboTax once you have selected this option, and the amount will be applied to your next year's estimated tax. To get the maximum refund on TurboTax, ensure you claim all eligible deductions and credits. This includes itemizing deductions, claiming the Earned Income Tax Credit, and taking advantage of education and child tax credits. TurboTax will guide you through the process of claiming these deductions and credits by asking you a series of questions about your income, expenses, and personal situation. Answer these questions accurately and thoroughly to ensure you receive the maximum refund you are eligible for. Additionally, consider contributing to a retirement account or health savings account, as these contributions may be tax deductible and can increase your refund. It is also crucial to review your return carefully before submitting it to the IRS to ensure accuracy and completeness. This will help prevent delays in receiving your refund and minimize the risk of an audit. By following these steps and taking advantage of the features and guidance provided by TurboTax, you can apply your refund to next year and get the maximum refund you are eligible for.